Hello, I'm Uli Wolf, and I'd like to welcome you to the digital training course on decking construction from SPAX. SPAX is distinguished by top quality and practicality, and has been for over 50 years. SPAX proves this once again with its wide range of products for decking construction. SPAX has really thought of everything you could ever need for successful decking construction, the way to deck today. In this digital training course, you'll receive all important information and practical tips for decking construction. The individual training modules will go into detail on which products and procedures are needed to achieve great results. Here's a quick overview. The Decking System module explains the diverse, coordinated products available in the SPAX decking range. The Decking Screw module focuses on the characteristics of the various SPAX decking screws, their core features, and their advantages. In the practical modules on decking construction, I'll show you how to achieve the clean and durable connection of decking boards. There we have 4 different versions. First, visible fastening on wooden substructure. Then, visible fastening on aluminum substructure. After that, concealed fastening on wooden substructure. And finally, concealed fastening on aluminum substructure. So let's get started. Enjoy! Welcome to the digital training course for the Decking System module. An interesting topic, decking is constantly exposed to the weather and presents us with special challenges. During its construction, inclination, wood type, ventilation, and contact surfaces all have to be considered. The SPAX portfolio includes a wide range of products for attractive, durable decking that stays firmly in place whatever the weather. These are SPAX Lift to offset unevenness and height differences, as well as protection against rising damp and soil moisture. As an alternative, the SPAX Pad to protect against soil moisture. SPAX Tape to protect against rainwater. SPAX Air for optimal ventilation. SPAX Stick Pro for the concealed fastening of decking boards, as well as a wide range of aids for a smooth installation, such as SPAX Kaiman Pro, which will help you to straighten warped boards, or the SPAX Spacer for consistent spacing between boards, or various SPAX drills for a clean screw pattern. Of course, the matching SPAX T-Star Plus bits T20 and T25 with all of their advantages, and the SPAX Drive Stop with adjustable depth gauge for optimal fastening. And finally, the SPAX Decking Screw in its various versions. I will now show you the individual system components that SPAX offers for perfect decking construction in more detail, and will explain the benefits in corresponding application areas. In order to protect decking from rising dampness, we'll make use of the height-adjustable decking supports, the SPAX Lifts. They're also ideal for offsetting areas of substrate unevenness and height differences. They are continuously adjustable. The SPAX Lifts are made of recycled, waterproof plastic and are suitable for use at temperatures between -25 and +70 degrees. The plate-shaped feet of the SPAX Lift 355 and SPAX Lift 59 have a diameter of 215 mm and can carry loads of up to 800 kilograms. The SPAX Lifts are available in various versions. The SPAX Free Lift serves as an insert in metal supports and ground impact sleeves of 91 mm in width, and is continuously adjustable up to 30 mm. So even large height differences are easy to offset during decking construction, like if it's built on a slope. The load-bearing capacity of SPAX Free Lift is 250 kilograms. The load-bearing capacity is not reduced when using the SPAX Lift extension in combination with SPAX Free Lift. For wood and aluminum substructures of 20 to 75 mm in width, the SPAX Lift 355 is suitable. They are also height adjustable between 35 and 50 mm and have a load capacity of up to 800 kilograms. However, the use of the SPAX Lift extension reduces the load-bearing capacity of SPAX Lift 355 from 800 kilograms to 400 kilograms. The SPAX Lift 5.9 can be used for the same wood and aluminium substructures, but offer height adjustment between 50 and 80 millimeters, and a load capacity of up to 800 kilograms. When using the SPAX Lift extension, the load-bearing capacity of SPAX Lift 5.9 is also reduced from 800 kilograms to 400 kilograms. Should the decking situation require that larger height differences need to be offset, SPAX Lift extensions can be used. The SPAX Lift Extension 30 is an easy insert attachment with a height of 30 millimeters. For height compensation, up to 8 SPAX Lift Extension 30 with a height of 30 millimeters can be attached on top of each other. 100 millimeters of additional height is possible with the SPAX Lift Extension 100. For height compensation, a maximum of up to 8 SPAX Lift Extension 100, each with a height of 100 millimeters, can be attached on top of each other. Waterlogging, as you can imagine, is fatal for decking because it makes wood rot faster. SPAX therefore offers a range of helpful aids for structural wood protection. The SPAX pads protect the wood substructure from rising dampness. They can also be used to compensate areas of minor unevenness. They are available in the size 100 by 100 by 8 millimeters. The SPAX tape protects wooden substructures from rainwater falling from above. The self-adhesive, low-density polyethylene tape is UV-resistant, shockproof, and leaves no residue when removed. Incidentally, the tape should not be used in direct sunlight simply because the heat may cause it to warp. Each roll has 30 meters of tape, is 87 millimeters wide and 0.5 millimeters thick. As I said, waterlogging causes wood to age and rot prematurely. SPAX Air can be used to reduce this by separating the decking boards from the substructure. What you'll find is that the ventilation of the decking boards is completely optimized. The SPAX Air offers spacing of 4.5 and 6.5 millimeters. It all depends on the moisture content of the decking boards used. For wood with a high moisture content, the boards contract when dry. Then, less distance between the boards makes sense. For wood with a low moisture content, or if the boards are dry, leave more spacing between boards as they expand when wet. We also recommend the use of SPAX spacers, which we'll come to in a moment. For the concealed connection of decking boards on wood or aluminium substructures, it is a good idea to use SPAX Stick Pro non-visible connectors. This achieves a seamless, flawless finish. The high mechanical strength of the SPAX Stick Pro gives decking boards high stability and load-bearing capacity on wood and aluminium substructures. The large contact surface of the SPAX Stick Pro means it's virtually impossible for the substructure to get crushed. The SPAX Stick Pro decking set consists of SPAX Virox cylindrical head screws, which are used to fasten the Stick Pro to the back of the decking board. SPAX stainless steel screws in black with drill point are also included to fasten the Stick Pro onto the aluminium substructure up to a maximum of 4 millimeters, as well as onto wood. The bar on top serves as a stop when the Stick Pro is placed on and fixed to the board. Incidentally, there is no need to fasten every Stick Pro to the substructure. After turning over the decking board, one of its long sides is simply pushed under the existing board. This way, the Stick Pro is only ever fastened on the open side of the substructure in the direction of installation. This is why the SPAX Stick Pro decking set contains fewer black SPAX stainless steel screws. Oh, and another thing, the fastening screw in the substructure can be removed even after installation. Before tightening the decking boards with the SPAX Cayman Pro, it is a good idea to use the SPAX spacer as a joint gauge to set the correct joint width. But I will come back to that in a moment. The SPAX Stick Pro is not suitable for woods with very heavy interlocked grain, such as Masaranduba or wood plastic composite, that is WPC boards. In case of very hard imported woods, it's a good idea to pre-drill with a diameter of 3 millimeters. Once decking boards have warped, what you'll find is that it's often very difficult to straighten them back out again. SPAX Cayman Pro offers a useful tool for this. Through its patented lever adjustment, it offers 12-fold force amplification for simple straightening that doesn't damage the decking boards. However, the maximum permitted load exerted by the user is 50 kilos, and the Kaiman Pro may only be used without aids and not by foot. And for the purposes of ensuring a flush alignment, the SPAX liner positioning guide comes into play. SPAX Kaiman Pro comes together with the SPAX liner, a carpenter's pencil, and 4 SPAX spacers in a practical case. These ensure even spacing during installation. SPAX spacers act as joint gauges for 4 different joint widths of 4, 5, 6, and 7 millimeters. The board spacing of wooden decking depends on how dry the decking boards to be installed are. If they are very dry, the wood may expand severely in the event of moisture, for example when it rains, and larger board spacing makes sense. If, on the other hand, fresh or damp decking boards are to be used, it can be assumed that the wood will contract when dry, and the board spacing should be kept smaller. Before installing the wooden decking boards, it is thus important to consult the supplier's spacing requirements. A neat appearance is always important when it comes to decking. As well as even spacing between boards, a clean screw pattern is crucial to an attractive overall look. To prevent stress cracks around the screw hole, it is important to pre-drill. This not only improves the appearance when fastening, but also makes subsequent removal much easier. The drilling and countersinking stages are especially adapted to SPAX decking screws, especially with cylindrical head. For this, SPAX offers a matching screw and drill system. The use of a matching drill significantly reduces water pooling in excessively deep drilled or countersunk holes. Pre-drilling should be carried out to the entire length of the screw at high speed, in other words, at least 3,000 revolutions per minute. The SPAX range includes various wood drills for this, and I will give you a brief overview of them now. The SPAX drill to step is a step drill with 2 settings of 4.1 mm and 6.5 mm, and a spindle length of 48 mm. The second step of 6.5 mm is sufficient for the flush countersinking of the 7 mm cylindrical head of our SPAX decking screws. The SPAX Step Drill 4 set has a 6.5 mm countersink, a 4.0 mm wood drill, and finally a hex key. The drill can be exchanged and the length can also be adjusted. This set is particularly suited for the combined pre-drilling and pre-countersinking of SPAX decking screws, with the cylindrical head in stainless steel A2 and A4, and with a length of 40 to 100 mm. We'll come to them in a moment. For fastening wood boards to aluminium, the SPAX Drill 5.2 is ideal for pre-drilling the wooden board. The aluminium substructure is not pre-drilled. The drill has a shank with a diameter of 4.0 mm and a spindle of 5.2 mm. The spindle length is 19 mm. The SPAX Drill 5.2 was developed for use in the SPAX Step Drill 4 countersink. The drill can be exchanged on this model. Finally, I'd like to show you the SPAX Step Drill 6 set. The set contains a 9.5 mm countersink, 2 6.0 mm wood drills with a spindle length of 100 mm. The drill can also be exchanged and the length adjusted. All of the drills shown are used for decking, boardwalks, and footbridges. SPAX offers a special drive for the optimal use of the SPAX screw range, the SPAX T-Star Plus. The matching SPAX T-Star Plus bits with pilot pin guarantee optimal force transmission between screw and bit. The SPAX T-Star Plus bits are available in blade sizes from T10 to T50. In addition to optimal force transmission, they offer a perfect fit and long service lives. The SPAX T-Star Plus bits in blade sizes T20 and T25 are particularly ideal for decking construction. These bits are available in a short version with 25 mm length and as long bits with 50 mm length. The SPAX T-Star Plus bits are suitable for use with manual screwdrivers, electric and cordless screwdrivers, drills, and air screwdrivers. They really prove their worth with optimal hardness values and torque transmission. And there is also the SPAX BitBox with the SPAX T-Star Plus T10 to T40 bits and a practical SPAX Rapid Change bit holder. In order to prevent screws from being sunk too deeply into the boards, it's a good idea to use SPAX Drive Stop. SPAX Drive Stop enables the individual screw depth to be set and fixed, so that all screws are fastened to the same depth, and the result looks really good. SPAX Drive Stop is simply inserted directly into the chuck, however, it is not suitable for use with impact drivers. The depth gauge can be varied, and the 1/4-inch bit is held by a retaining ring. The felt ring at the top of the depth gauge here protects the surface from scratches. Alongside the accessories, the core of decking construction is, of course, the screw. Without it, nothing's possible. The SPAX range offers the ideal decking screw to match the decking, boardwalk, or footbridge in question. For some processing or wood types, we recommend special products, and I'll give you an overview of them now. The SPAX decking screw has special features that facilitate fastening and guarantee a sturdy hold. Let's have a look at them. The T-Star Plus Drive T25. This ensures a clean bit fit and better guiding. The cylindrical head reduces splitting in wood and offers flawless aesthetics. Serrations guarantees fast and secure fastening. The fixing thread for the sturdy and permanent connection of two wood parts. And the cut point effectively reduces wood splitting and enables precise positioning of the screw. Despite the effective drill function of the cut point, pre-drilling and countersinking of SPAX decking screws is not only recommended on hard decking woods. Because of this special design, its small cylindrical head, serrations, cut point, and fixing thread, the SPAX decking screw is ideal for decking construction. It permanently fastens the decking board to the substructure, minimizes creaking, and it also looks really great. This makes it the best choice for the visible fastening of wooden boards on a wooden substructure. The SPAX decking screw is available in stainless steel A2 and A2 antique, with a brown color as you can see here. The thread diameter is 5 mm. Depending on the screw type, lengths of 40 to max 80 mm are available. By the way, the SPAX decking screw enables safe and easy fastening even in hardwood and tropical wood. The following versions offer the same features, along with special properties. The SPAX decking screw in stainless steel A4 offers even higher corrosion protection. It is particularly useful in coastal areas or for wood that is rich in tannins, such as oak. It is also suitable for use with hardwood and tropical wood, and is available with a thread diameter of 6.0 mm and lengths of 40 to 100 mm. It is used in exactly the same way as the stainless steel A2 screws. With anti-corrosion properties in mind, the SPAX boardwalk screw also comes in stainless steel A4, and is also for use around water and on wooden bridges. It has a diameter of 8 and a length of 120 mm. The SPAX Bold is the ideal screw for wooden decking with visible fastening. Its decorative head ensures an attractive screw pattern. It also has a fixing thread that reduces creaking in floorboard construction. The SPAX screw for visible wood constructions on aluminium has a sturdy metal double thread for an increased hold in aluminium. Its drill point can furrow into aluminium profiles with wall thicknesses up to 4 mm without pre-drilling the aluminium. Only the wooden board needs to be pre-drilled, with the matching SPAX drill 5.2. The screws have a diameter of 5 mm and a length of 44, 48, or 51 mm, depending on the thickness of the decking boards. For the sake of giving you a complete overview, I want to show you another SPAX screw, which can also do great things in decking construction: the SPAX hexagonal concrete screw. You can use this to anchor the substructure for your wooden decking directly to the concrete substrate using angle brackets, thanks to its hexagonal head with pressed washer. Installation is child's play. And its high-low thread makes sure it goes deep, even in reinforced concrete. Its special thread geometry ensures that the flanks cut deep into the concrete for maximum load capacity. Of course, SPAX also offers a suitable wood connector range with angle brackets for wood-to-wood, wood-to-metal, and wood-to-concrete connections. Here is an angle bracket from the wide SPAX range for connecting wood to concrete. SPAX angle brackets are also ideal for use as bracing for the decking substructure, for example, to cross-brace several pieces of wood. Of course, you could also use the SPAX wood construction screws for this, such as the SPAX high-force washer head screw. As you can see, SPAX offers a complete decking system, the right screw for every application, as well as a huge range of important accessories for beautiful and durable decking, for use in both visible and concealed fastening. You've obtained a good insight into the various aspects of decking construction. For more infos and practical tips, have a look at the other modules in the digital training course on decking construction. You can also find an overview on www.terrassa-zelber-bauen.de. There, SPAX has compiled all of the main information for you on decking construction. The comprehensive SPAX decking range with all accessories and the special SPAX decking portal with wood facts, practical tips, usage videos, and the SPAX decking configurator. I wish you all the best and lots of success.